welcome dear students. I hope you and your family are okay. Well, today I'm going to explain you about someone, somebody, anyone, or anybody. Well, I want to start to talking about that someone, somebody, anyone, and anybody refer to talk about a person or people. Okay, that's important to know. Who does the action? We don't know who does the action. We only know that someone or some people do it, but we don't know exactly who was the person. We don't know if it was Maria, Petra, Alex. We don't know something about it because they are indefinite. They only mention alguien o alguno. Well, in the case of someone and somebody, we have three different uses. The first one is to talk about positive, affirmative sentences. Okay? Request and offers. Do you remember the last semester when we mentioned about requests and offers? And we say something like ofreces y pides y afirmas. Okay, it's the same uses that we are using. There is someone in class today. You are speaking in positive, you are speaking in affirmative. So, there is someone in class today. I have some people in my class. I know that there is someone in the classroom at the moment. Okay? Someone in class is happy. I have some students in my class, but someone is happy, is smiling in the class. Well, who? We don't know. Only we know that a person or some people. Okay? The second use, request. Well, in the case of request, they are always interrogative. Why are always interrogative? Because we are waiting for an answer. Okay? Can you help someone? Excuse me, student, can you help someone? You answer me yes or no. It depends. That's the idea that they are questions. Can you send someone to the store? I'm going to imagine that I need a marker. I need a new marker. Excuse me, students. Can you send someone to the store and bring me a new marker? The students tell me yes or the students tell me not. It depends about the answer. Okay, the third use is offers. When you offer something, you are offering something for someone. Would you like to talk someone? Would you like to talk somebody? We are speaking about questions. Why it's a question? Because I am waiting for an answer to. Do you want to talk someone or do you want to talk somebody? It's a question again. Why? Because I am waiting for an answer. I know what is your question right now. Miss, what are you using someone and somebody in these cases, and in the another you are only using someone? Well, I'm going to explain that. Well, you can use someone or somebody in this case. You can use someone or maybe you can use somebody in this. You can use somebody in this too. And in the other ones, you can use somebody. So, what is the difference? Well, the difference is so easy for you. Well, when you say someone and somebody, the difference is that when you use one, it's more formal. And when you use body, it's more informal. Both have the same meaning. Both express the same idea. It depends about the situation you are speaking, who you speak about, where you are. It depends about the situation. If you are speaking in a formal situation, you are going to use one. If you are in an informal situation, you use body. That's all really easy. It's not complicated. I'm going to do a brief review about this. Someone and somebody. Well, they speak about person, they speak about people. We have three uses: positive, request, and offers. Okay, if you are doing a request and an offer, they must be questions. If you are speaking in positive, you don't have any problem. You can use someone or you can use somebody in all the cases. What is the difference? One formal, body informal. What is the difference? The situation. The situation you are going to use one, or the situation you are going to use body. Well, now we are going to use about anyone or anybody. In the case of anyone and anybody, they refer to talk about negative and interrogative. Do you remember the last semester when we talked about some and any, and we said that some is affirmative and any, that's for interrogative and negative. It's the same idea. Does anyone or does anybody? Remember, it depends about the situation you are speaking. Does anyone or anybody have a pet? Question. Yes. Okay, or no. Is anyone at home? It's a question. You are waiting for an answer. Yes or no. We speak about the negative. At home, there isn't anyone or anybody. We don't visit anyone or anybody in quarantine. Remember, we are now in quarantine, so we don't visit anyone and anybody. We are at home because we are in quarantine. So I hope you don't have any problem with these indefinite pronouns, okay? If you have some questions, please contact me on Classroom platform. On Classroom platform, I have some exercises and I have some explanations about this topic. So if you have some questions, please contact me in my email address or on Classroom platform. And thank you so much for being here. Okay, bye bye.